Hello everybody, it's Miss Julie, and today I thought we'd do something different. We are going to make banana cookies. This is one of my kids' favorite recipes, and it is relatively simple and requires no eggs. So you get 4 ripe bananas, and you're going to mash them all up. I'm going to take a half a cup brown sugar. I'm going to add my half a cup brown sugar. Then we are going to add a 1/3 cup oil. I'm using just olive oil. And pour that in. The next step, this can be omitted if you don't have it. It is flax meal. And you take 1 tablespoon of the flax meal. With 2 tablespoons of water and stir it together. And you're going to stir this together and then pour in your flax meal. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I use pure vanilla. 1 teaspoon. Now you're going to mix all this together. Alright, once that is all mixed together, you're going to add your dry ingredients, which is 1½ cups flour. And I usually do 1 cup white flour and 1/2 cup wheat flour. You can do all wheat or all white. Don't forget to level. So 1, and then I'm going to do 1/2 cup of wheat flour. Again, I'm using my 1/4 measuring spoon. So 2 of those are measuring cups. And then it is 1 cup rolled oats. I'm just using quick oats. Two teaspoons of cinnamon. One teaspoon ground ginger. And again, if this is something your kids or yourself don't really like ginger, you can omit it, but I think it really adds to the flavor. And then 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half teaspoon salt. And the last will be 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. All right, and now you're going to mix it all up. Until everything is moistened. And then you're going to put it on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper so it does not stick to it. Alright, now you are going to get your cookie sheet and lay parchment paper down. And then simply I get a large spoon, not a teaspoon but a little bit bigger size, and I just plop it down. And I don't shape it, I just use the shape of the spoon as it comes down on the paper, and I space them. They don't rise, so you can put them kind of close together. Alright, so I have spooned all of it on my tray. You can make them smaller, but I make mine about 3 inches. Seems like a good portion for my kids to have for breakfast. So you're going to bake it in a preheated 350-degree oven for 20 to 22 minutes. And then once it comes out of the oven, you're going to let it cool completely, and then you can store them in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Usually they don't last in my house that long. All right, I just pulled out the second batch. As you can see, I have a little bit less. My family has already been eating them. Generally, we'll make about 14 of the medium-sized cookies. You can get more if you make them smaller, but like I said, my family enjoys them a lot, and I usually try to make them fairly large so that it is filling for them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and cooking with your families, and I will see you next time. Bye!